To the line here, I'll get to the line. Right there. That's very good. Let's go. Roll it forward. Hold space. Right to the line here. Roll it to the line.
Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. What luck? The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed means profit. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we discussed. You can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. I thought you the perfect ship. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you after all, we will split 70-25.
And then wait here one moment. You can take your bags off. You're gonna put them on the floor when you get in the cockpit. Whenever she's ready, she'll call you over, okay?
Right, gunners and engineers, all you're doing is pressing the flashing buttons, okay? We're gonna be set here for a moment.
Right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. You're still here. Go.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Okay, my friends, I made a deal with the New Republic. In exchange for the location of these bounties, I can sell any cargo you find from dead ships. Go now and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Pilots, grab those controls. No engineers. Guess Hondo won't be getting any crates. Enemy scouts incoming. Gunners, let's hope your pilots can dodge. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. Plan. We'll catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. Sight of them. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Launching homing beacons now. We can only follow one. Grogu, you pick. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Coruscant. Good choice, kid. Make the jump at light speed. There's our bounty. Smooth traffic. Switching to ion cannons. Say hi to your new friends.
Welcome back. Any crates?
We were a little busy, Hondo.
Of course, no problem. After all, we are splitting the bounty credits.
Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. R5, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing. Well, keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Ratha loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? Sounds like it is on the roof. What is it? With tentacles. I hate tentacles. How many tentacles? Well, I'm not opening these doors until you get rid of it. It could be dangerous for the cargo. And for the crew, of course. All right? I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
Welcome back, recruits. Make sure you have your cargo with you.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.